Alright, do a quick little video here for you. Right here, this guy. Wire harness right there. And that's your recirc door right there. So if you got a clicking noise up from underneath the dash of the truck, when you turn on your recirc, or that, we can watch the door operate here. But if you get a click, 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 whenever you go from one operation to the other, it's probably that actuator right there with the sticker on the side of it. And there is 2 mounting screws. I'll show you that here in a second. But how you get to that is through the airbag hole. How you can kind of quickly diagnose it is drop your glove compartment, pull this little guy off the side and drop it down, and get your head up there and you can watch that door. And I did that and I seen the door just kind of doing that. It's not fully closing, not fully opening, and you hear the clicking. And I'll show you what causes that here in a second. So here's what it is. Here's that control module, or actuator, sorry. But there's 2 mounting screws. This sits in there. Trying to rethink here now. So yeah, this sits in there like so. No, this side sits out, so it sits like that. One here and one here on the bottom. This one here just sits on a pin. They're 5.5 millimeters to pull them out. When you put it back in, don't tighten them up. Get them both caught. Make sure you got it on the pin, and then tighten them up. They're a pain in the ass. This happens to be a 3-pin, and son of a biscuit, I lost the box, but maybe you can see it on here too a little bit. So, number 1, recirculation door motor electric connector. Wow. So anyway, but you can kind of see it right in here. There's that box, the 3-wire connector to it. And if you buy it from O'Reilly, it's gonna set you back about 50 so bucks a grant. And I would look up the part number for your particular make, model, and flavor. But there's the Murray number. Might be able to get it off from Amazon a little bit cheaper. Get the airbag out. Right here is going to be a 10 millimeter bolt. This side's going to be a 10 millimeter bolt. Then on this little bracket, there's 10 millimeter. 2 of them. Vents. Just get yourself a little plastic pry bar. Pop the 2 vents out to get access to it. We talked about how to drop the glove compartment down. It's a bitch. Yes, that is a cut. It is completely legal because this is a 2001. It's over 20 years old. You can cut to modify stuff. Under 20, you'd have to pull the dash off. So all I did is cut it off with the old Milwaukee hacksaw. Stuck it up in the back of there. Careful of your wires. And I just flipped it up, and then I'll just wrap some duct tape around it when I'm done. Put it back down. But that takes care of it. That'll take care of your clicking noise. Hope this is somewhat helpful. Peace out. Wait, we can't peace out yet. Forgot to give you the money shot. So here's our problem. She done broke a gear. Oh, looks like she's missing a tooth maybe? I don't know, I think that's just a crack. So yeah, that's the problem.